Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lamoille County in northwest Vermont, west central Orleans County in northeast Vermont, central Washington County in central Vermont, southern Grand Isle County in northwest Vermont, northeastern Essex County in northern New York, southeastern Clinton County in northern New York, Chittenden County in northwest Vermont, southeastern Franklin County in northwest Vermont until 4:30 p.m. At 3:36 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near Schuyler Island, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Colchester Point, Shelburne Point, Mallett's Bay, Winooski, Colchester, Essex Junction, Essex Center, Milton, Jericho, Westford. This severe thunderstorm is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately.